morning, ladies and gentlemen. Though I am physically not being able to present among you today, but I am extremely excited about the Global Carbon Calculator project being launched by Department of Energy and Climate Change. Carbon emission and its impact on climate change is of great importance today, and entire world is trying to control the carbon intensity of development. After success with the regional calculators, the attempt to develop a global carbon calculator is of great importance, and this would help in the global community to understand the relationship between growth and carbon emissions and its impact on climate change. As you are aware, EY is a global professional services firm with more than 150,000 professionals across the world working in more than 140 countries. We have strong credentials in the electricity and power utility sectors in various capacities such as advisory, tax advisory, transactions and assurance. EY's global network of power and utility together with climate change and sustainability professional is a strong network of more than 4,000 people, matured professionals across the globe. Our team has strong energy modeling experience using various quantitative tools such as times, message and leap and so on. We also have access to various global energy databases. With these two things, I am sure that our team would be able to contribute significantly in development of this global carbon calculator, and I am looking forward to play an important role as technical and knowledge partner in the project. I wish the project a great success. Thank you very much.